We recently took a trip over to Sunriver, Oregon with some friends.
It's a really cute little resort town just south of Bend, Oregon.
Yeah.
And a lot of activities there.
Lots of trails, a lot of paved trails. So, of course, I had to break out my roller skates, part due.
Well, we made it to Sunriver. We were staying with some friends. Sunriver is a resort community just south of Bend, Oregon. And day 2 with Irene on the roller skates. Riding our bikes with some friends. Irene's going to be on the skates. And she decided if she got a fanny pack and a different outfit, maybe she could go faster and skate better. So we'll see how that works out. Here she is. I think the fanny pack and the fancy shirt has really helped.
Make me go faster.
My roller derby queen.
Oh yeah. This is my favorite part.
Yeah, you did great.
I thought so, and I also did great catching a ride back.
Oh yeah.
Because it was so hot.
I was so hot.
I know. I don't like who I am when I'm hot. I don't. I'm a different person. I'm so whiny. Yeah, he doesn't either. I just get really whiny. Yeah. I don't like it.
I got an extra workout though.
You did. Yeah, you did.
That was a lot of fun.
You had to haul me back about a mile.
Yeah, I just made the beer that much better.
There you go. Yeah, so we went over there for a day, and then on our way back, Dave got the drone up in some national forest in Central Oregon, so check that out. Then we got back to the coast, and I've been helping a couple days with my nephew Grayson. He's doing online school.
Boy, did we get a glimpse of a tiny, tiny sliver of what a lot of parents are going through right now with kids at home and school and navigating that thing. So
it's crazy. This was his first week, and I feel for the teachers, I feel for the students and the parents. It's a lot to handle.
Watching it across the room, watching the computer glitches and not working.
Oh my gosh. We couldn't even log on to the Zoom meeting first half of the day. We kept trying every few minutes. So, yeah.
So for all you parents and teachers and kids out there dealing with it,
we feel your pain.
Well, I mean, I feel bad complaining because we just had a few days of it, but Anyway, it was a learning experience.
Yep.
And I'm not used to seeing Irene get so frustrated, but she doesn't do all. Well, it's like when we first started making YouTube videos, and we'd have camera glitches or computer glitches, or she couldn't figure out how to work the editing software. I would have to leave the van because she would just.
Okay, but I'm getting better. I'm getting better. The other day, the computer did something, and I was just very calm about it. I think it frightened you. I was so calm. And then I figured out the problem, and everything was fine. One thing I want to jump back to when we stayed in Sunriver, it got cold there. 33 degrees one night, and I think 37 the next night. We had no idea it was that cold inside the van here because we were toasty warm, super insulated.
Well, I've been looking at the weather forecast for Bend, Oregon, not realizing and thinking that we were, I think Sunriver is maybe 1,000 feet higher. So I thought it was going to be like 50 at night. And I thought, man, the van stayed warm for being 50 degrees at night. Turns out it was 33 and the van stayed warm.
Yeah, so really happy with how well this is insulated and how that is working.
Whoever insulated this thing did a fine job.
They knew what they were doing.
Yeah. And also, because we used thin slate, which originally was a soundproofing material, it's super quiet.
So quiet, yeah.
When we got up in the morning, our friends, they had been loading up their Suburban from the house that they're staying in, and it was parked like 20 feet from our van, and we were awake.
Yeah.
And we didn't hear anything, and I got up and they're out loading the car.
Shutting car doors, and we didn't hear a single thing. So, yeah, that helps a lot too. So, the plan today is Dave's going to try and catch a few fish.
I don't have my waders with me, so
yeah,
it's very cold water. It's only 60 degrees out, so I'm going to wade out a little bit in some shallow water and do some casting, see if I can't catch some perch for some fish tacos. If I'm not catching right away, we take a road trip.
We're going to take a road trip anyway, I think. Let's have some breakfast, though.
Okay.
I don't know.
I don't think we've ever filmed leaving north of Newport on the coastline up towards like Tillamook.
I don't know, but that's where we're headed. We're going to head north. It's such a gorgeous day. We probably don't have too many more of these left this year, so we want to take a little trip up north and just check out the coastline, take you guys along, and I guess that's, we'll see you on the other side.
Guess that's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
Carry on.
Carry on.